Hey guys, it is Tuesday night, so we are at the end of day 2 of the winter semi-annual sale at Bath and Body Works. So I am 3 stores later. Uh, Decided to do a haul. One, so that I can put this away, and two, that way I can kind of tell you my experience and kind of how things are. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with candles because I only have 4 and it's 2 of the same scents. So day 1, candles were $10.95. And then today they went back up, but not as high as they were. They were like $12.95. So I got these yesterday. Um, and I got 2 Mary cookies and 2 sugared snickerdoodle. There were a lot of these yesterday in the store that I got them from. I didn't really look at candles today when I went to the store, but the table was full, but they were $12.95. So it seemed to be a lot, and I still saw kind of different patterns from Christmas. So I think they're available. I wouldn't buy candles right now, only because $12.95 is too high for these candles, in my opinion. If there's something you like specifically are looking for, you know, and I also didn't see that many 75% off candles. So, but for me, I really wanted, you know, these 2 Mary cookie and these 2 sugar snickerdoodle. So I got them yesterday at $10.95, and I don't plan on even, unless they drop the price dramatically, I'll wait towards the end of the sale and see what I can find at 75% off. So those are the candles. Okay, so for body wash, I had wanted at least 2 more wrapped in vanillas, which I was able to find. I got these yesterday at the very first store that I went to. And when I was in there today, I was at a different store today though. They actually didn't have a lot of wrapped in vanilla, if any. Actually, I don't remember seeing any. And then blush cardigan, I got these yesterday, and yesterday they had quite a few of these in both of the stores I went to yesterday. Today, when I went into the store I went to today, I saw a blush cardigan spray, but I didn't see any. And I saw cream, but I didn't see any body wash today. And then yesterday, I'm so excited. I got 2 Autumn Drive body washes, which was on my like thing that I wanted to get. I was hoping to see a spray. Didn't see any spray. Didn't see any body cream or lotion. But I'm excited because I at least did get 2 of the body washes, and they had quite a few. But the way, like even by the time I left out of the store after I paid yesterday, I could tell people were snatching that up. So, you know, if I see maybe one more, I might get it, but we'll see. And then also yesterday, I got Dahlia in the moisturizing body wash. They didn't have that many of these, and that was the only thing that store had. No cream, no lotion, no spray. So I was able to grab 1 moisturizing body wash of Dahlia. And when I went to the store today that I went to, I didn't see any Dahlia at all. So there's that. And then today, in the 2 stores I went to yesterday, I did not see any snowflakes and cashmere um, shower gels, and that's what I needed from snowflakes and cashmere because I have cream and I have a backup of that, and I have backups of the spray. But I didn't see any body wash yesterday in either of the 2 stores I went to. So today, the store I went to, they had them. So they didn't have a lot. They actually had 4, but 2 of them were open, and luckily they had these 2 that weren't. So that's the thing about those bins. They get nasty. And the longer the sale goes on, it's like the nastier they get. So I wasn't ever a fan of the bins, and I'm not now anymore either. I didn't miss them. I wish they had stayed away from them. But that's my little tangent. Anyway, so super happy. The only body wash that I'm still kind of looking for is um, berries and Bellini, which I did find a lotion, which I'll get to that next. So if I saw that, I'd be happy and grab that up. And then I didn't really see a lot of summer stuff. But the other thing, stores seem to still be setting up, which makes sense. I mean, they had, all these sales back to back, then Christmas. So I think, by the end of this week, they'll be kind of more in their normal swing of things for semi-annual sale, and some stuff will pop up. Um, I probably will like browse the stores close to me. So the store I went to today was about 30 minutes away. Um, and I don't see myself like driving back out that way. But like there's two stores that aren't that far from me. And I may like pop in and out and see, if I can find anything. But I'm really happy with my shower gel that I was able to get. So then next, I will show you the couple of lotions and then the body sprays. Okay, so lotions. Um, I wanted a backup of blush cardigan, which I was able to get when I went yesterday. I think it was the second store. No, I actually got blush cardigan today. Sorry, I got the body wash yesterday. Um, got the cream today at the store I went to, and they had these and the spray, but no body wash. And then yesterday, the store that I went to wrapped. I wanted a body cream of wrapped in vanilla, and they didn't have any, and they didn't have any lotion. And I think they had a few body washes, but they were going quickly, and I got the two that I needed. And then today, the store that I went to, they had no spray at all and no shower gel at all. And they didn't have many of the creams, and I just wanted one because I have one. And so I just wanted just one additional one, which I was able to get today. Winter Cherry Blossom. That I got um, yesterday. And when I show you the mist that I got, you'll see that is getting wiped out. I didn't see in either of the two stores that I went to yesterday or today any Winter Cherry Blossom body wash at all. And then when I looked online today, it's completely sold out online. But a store close to me, which was one of the stores I actually went to yesterday, it says they have them in stock. So I think I'm going to run over there in the morning. Um, I'll go back to work tomorrow. So, and it's close enough that on my lunch break, I should be able to run over there really quickly and see if they have them. Um, they were still trying to get semi-annual sale together. So what I'm hoping is that there's a box, that they just hadn't unpacked yet that has somebody wash, because I would like two of those because I only have one, and that would complete my winter cherry blossom. So buttercups and berry Bellini. So I was looking for the shower gel and a cream. Saw no shower gel, no cream, but they did have quite a few lotions, and I mean quite a few. And I'm not really a lotion person from Bath and Body Works, but I really wanted this scent, so I grabbed it. Um, and yeah, kind of like, oh, maybe I should have got another one. But I have a lot of strawberry scents as far as lotion goes, so I'm not too sad. It was really the body wash that I really wanted. And I haven't seen that in any of the stores I went to. So I did get the lotion, and so I'm happy about that. Gingham Heart of Gold. The second store I went to, they had like four of these just randomly in a bin. It was not used, so I don't know. They just randomly threw it in a box, but I never was able to get my hand on the lotion. So now I have one, so I'm happy about that. And then the last cream I got was Fresh Coconut Colada, because that was one of those that I wanted to get a backup of the lotion, of the cream, and I couldn't because I couldn't find it anywhere. So I saw that today and grabbed it up. They didn't have that many of these either, but they did have some of the sprays. So, you know, it's like sprinkling of some of the summertime stuff. So here are the body creams and one lotion that I was able to get. and then I'll show you the mist, and then we'll be done with my haul. Okay, and last but not least, um, body sprays. So I'll just start left to right. So today I saw the Summer Melody pen spray. I really like that scent, and I have a pen spray, but and they never came out with a full size of this perfume. And if they had, I would have wanted it. So I was like, oh, it's 75% off. I grab another pen spray, and then that way, at least when I run out of the one I have, I'll have another one. So they had quite a few of these actually. Well, things go so fast. Who knows? And like I said, I got that today. Then cucumber melon. So, funny thing, cucumber melon, like I told you in my recommendation video, has never gone anywhere. So it's funny to me, like they talk about it like it's been gone. It's always available online. And they had like two different packaging, and now they have this new packaging. So at the store I went to, the old packaging, which is what you see here, was 75% off, and the new packaging was 50% off. I was not about to pay 50% off for that new packaging. I'm good on that. And I already have an unopened cucumber melon. And so I really just wanted to back up because when it's warm, I do wear this a lot. I really like cucumber melon, and I always have. So, but I'm not pressed because it's always there. So I was like, okay, it's 75% off. And there were quite a few things that I didn't see. So I was like, I'll just grab one. Snowflakes and cashmere. So in the store today, when I was there, they had so many of these. Of the two stores I went to yesterday, I didn't see that many. And although I wasn't looking for it, I really, really like this scent a lot. And I didn't necessarily need another backup, but I was like, okay, who knows when this will be back? And you know how Bath and Body Works is. It's 75% off. You went to two stores yesterday, you didn't really see any. Just get it. So I did. So got another snowflakes and cashmere. So brown sugar and fig. Now, I didn't remember this scent, and so I couldn't remember if I liked it, if I didn't like it. I couldn't remember. And this was only 50% off, and I had a reward. And so I went ahead and got it with a reward because I was like, well, I can get this, and I'm not, I'm using the reward because I don't really want to pay the 8 something for it. And I don't know if it'll be here if it goes to 75% off. So I'll just grab it. So I don't like this. I don't hate it, but I don't like it either. So I actually think I'm going to be returning this tomorrow and exchanging it for either another pearberry or the sun ripened raspberry. Um, but I have learned my lesson. So what I'm going to do, because I don't really remember what sun ripened raspberry smells like either. And yesterday was so crowded in the stores. Like I was just like, okay, let me just get, what I need and get out of here. Today when I went, it was a lot better. Um, it was busy, but kind of like a normal busy. So I'm thinking tomorrow will be even better. So I'm gonna take this back. I'm gonna smell sun ripened raspberry in the store. And if I like it, I'm gonna exchange brown sugar and fig for that. If I don't like it, I'm just gonna get another pearberry. But I just really don't like this. And when I put it on my skin, I really don't like it. So that's going back. Pearberry, my beloved pearberry. I love pearberry. Um, so happy that it's back. And I ended up taking back that one that everybody loves and I don't, the Life of the Party. I could not get with that, like at all. So took that back and exchanged it for pearberry. Because I was like, again, I don't necessarily want to pay 50% off for Fairberry. But when I go back to take brown sugar and fig, if there's not a lot of pearberry, I probably would just bite the bullet and pay the 50% off. If I like sun ripened raspberry, because I do want another pearberry for sure. And I actually want, the shower gel and a cream. So I'm probably just going to go ahead and at least buy a shower gel and cream so I can have a full set. And then depending upon what I end up doing with brown sugar and fig, I'll either have another pearberry or I'll have a raspberry and then just wait out and for this pearberry to drop down to 75% off. So that's where I am with Pearberry. But my plan is to definitely go ahead and get a lotion, a cream and a shower gel, even though it's 50% off. And then, you know, then after that, I'm going to wait. And then whatever I can get at 75% off is what I'm going to do. And then Winter Cherry Blossom. This thing is just like, oh my goodness. So the store I went to yesterday, they had 2 sprays. That was it. 2. And they had quite a few creams. And they had absolutely no body washes. And like I said earlier, none of the stores have body wash, and that's actually what I'm looking for. But Winter Cherry Blossom was the same for me as Snowflakes and Cashmere. I'm like, I really, really like this. Okay, I'm gonna get one more because it's $3.95. So I grabbed it, and I'm done on the body sprays for Winter Cherry Blossom. So I'm really looking for some body wash, and then I'll be good on Winter Cherry Blossom. So that's what I have for my haul, and we'll do a wrap up, and I guess that's it. Okay, so overall, after the first 2 days of semi-annual sale, I actually got pretty much everything that I was looking for because like I said in my recommendation video, there's not too much I'm looking for. So right now it's going to be, I'll stop in there, see if it's anything that catches my eye. Still on the hunt for a couple of summer scents, but I'm really happy with how things were. I think for the fact that semi-annual sale came immediately after Christmas, I think the stores I went to, one, everyone was great. And that's super stressful. I would never want to work in retail, so bless them. But also, I think, they did a good job of such a quick turnaround that they had to do. So I don't think that I'll probably do another haul until closer to the end because I may like here and there pick up some things, but probably not too much worth for a video. And I do want a backup of Christmas cookie, which is an online exclusive. So I'll probably place an order for that. And then that'll definitely be if it's here because shipping has been horrendous. Um, so right now for me, I'm probably going to run in, grab another Pearberry, stop being cheap. But for the most part, I think I want to wait till like that little line goes down to 75%, which it will. But not too bad for my first 2 days. And with my list being small, I stayed within my budget, which I'm really happy about that. And so that's about it. So thanks so much for watching. Please check out some of my other videos. I have a whole Bath and Body Works playlist. And happy semi-annual sale. I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye.